Hey guys, this has been an eyesore to me ever since we bought this property. I never did like those type of trees or shrubs. So today's the day I get rid of them. We've got 3 of them and a lot of other odd and end stuff that the previous owner liked, including huge rocks and a broken swan. So today is the day my hummingbird garden officially begins, and I am so excited to finally be getting this done. I also have to majorly trim this old rose bush. Alright, we have made some really good progress so far on the front of this house. Still have to get all the clutter out, but we got the bushes and trees out that we wanted so far.
Where'd you say?
Over there in that pile.
Mom, the hamster cat! It's been knocked over.
We're not throwing that one away.
No, it's been knocked over.
I know. I knocked it over whenever we're moving the trees that we cut down.
Pick that up.
Thank you.
Here, Jackson, here's one.
This rock belonged to my Papa Jackson, Mama Elma's daddy. So that's a very old rock. Mama gave that to me.
You like it?
I do like it.
Mom, there was a rock around the hydrangea bush.
Okay, well right here's some more rocks too, honey, up here.
Here you go, Mom. Oh, no, I ain't taking it out.
One's heavy.
Okay. Closer to the same size and strength. That's bad. This is a bird's nest. Put a bird's nest in it.
Mom, don't get rid of it.
I'll put it down on the bottom. Get the bottom of that.
Mom, I want to carry the birdie nest. Mom, I want to carry the nest. Mom, I don't see any rocks.
You never know what all you're going to find when you're cleaning up for the first major time at a new place. Why would there be metal and an Arby's marinara cup in the flowers? Your guess is as good as mine.
And why would people leave their trash in there?
Yeah. Hey guys, we're back to cleaning out the flower bed again for the hummingbird garden. I've got rakes for all of us. We're going to rake some of the brush out that's right here and pick up, there's some odd and end trash that's blown in here. So we're going to clean all that out. I've got a big clump of flowers from my son's house. They don't look like much right now, but they'll be beautiful here in a couple of months. They're called red hot pokers, and they are really good for hummingbirds, butterflies, and bees. Up at the top of the hill at the house, I'm wanting to make a basically hummingbird garden because last year we had so many hummingbirds and I totally enjoyed that. And on the bottom of the hill, I'm making an apiary, and we are planting a bunch of flowers down there. We've got a bunch of different bulbs that we're going to start, and I have tons of self-seeding annuals. But that's what our plans are. We're going to get busy.
Hi guys, now we're gonna start. Mommy wants to.
For like this right here, the Easter lilies. Try to get all that old boxwood stuff up.
Mom, look how I made that carpet.
Right there.
And make my own towel.
That's just a clump of grass. You can rake over top of it. Don't have to worry about pulling it out. Make sure I can pull it out. Maybe a lily.
I wonder when we're gonna get to the flower part.
Whenever we get finished raising. Trying to get all this dead stuff out, honey. No.
I have this one.
This one, big like this, or let Bob break it apart because I can't get any more off this.
Yay, it's my time.
Needs to be about that deep. Use the other one, honey. You might can dig easier with it. You don't need to dig them. Oh, let me find one. It'll be easy. You help me on this one, okay?
No, you don't need to help me.
Okay, let me check it. Okay, let me check it. That's what you're doing. Let me do it now. Let me check it.